SIGLENT SH860A is a next-generation handheld signal analyzer designed for efficient on-site measurements. It integrates source, DC bias, and GPS receiver, enabling diverse measurement and analysis capabilities. SH860A handheld signal analyzer combines spectrum analysis, vector network analysis, and antenna cable testing modes, with advanced features including 5G, NROTA, LTE OTA, and pulse profile analysis, making it an exceptional tool for field testing. With a spectrum analysis range of 9 kHz to 7.5 GHz and a real-time analysis bandwidth of up to 110 MHz, it supports seamless spectrum triggering within the bandwidth, significantly enhancing the capture of transient signals. Its pulse analysis function featuring 10,001 measurement points to evaluate power, pulse, transitions characteristics using multiple detection modes, ensuring rigorous validation of RF device in real-world conditions. Equipped with 1 GB RAM, 300 MHz sample rate, and 110 MHz bandwidth, the SH860A efficiently captures and stores IQ data via USB or LAN for offline analysis. The clean UI design and precise touch feedback allow engineers to focus entirely on testing tasks. Weighing only 3.2 kilograms and supporting battery operation, the device is lightweight and portable, easily fitting into a shoulder bag for outdoor field testing. In outdoor environments filled with various interferences, detecting interference sources can be highly challenging. The RTSA capability simplifies base station testing. With a 110 MHz real-time bandwidth, the SH860A captures transient signals as short as 3.51 microseconds, enhancing interference monitoring efficiency and reducing base station installation and commissioning time. The rapid development of wireless communication has accelerated the construction and maintenance of new base stations. The 5G NROTA and LTE OTA measurement functions are exceptionally suited for engineers conducting on-site testing and base station deployment. It enables transmitter quality assessment by analyzing data from various antenna systems, identifying anomalies in receiver measurements, and facilitating fault localization and tracking. Equipped with GPS and indoor-outdoor mapping features, the SH860A allows engineers to test signal geolocation, analyze coverage conditions around base stations, and record or replay data. This aids in quickly understanding base station positioning, antenna orientation, height, and identifying areas with poor signal coverage or high interference. As technological advancements drive continuous innovation in wireless communication, engineers increasingly require on-site testing solutions. The SH860A series handheld signal analyzer is purpose-built for field use. Its specialized features and outstanding performance empower engineers to execute accurate, efficient testing anytime, anywhere.